What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So the question is that can Linux replace Windows one day? No, 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 no. Here's why. I have a lot of Linux experience, more than like 15 years experience. We used to, when there was a Linux netbook, one of the first netbook in the world in 2007, EPC, Asus EPC. It was based on Linux 4 GB hard drive, I remember. So to run the window application, we have to use the what is called my brain is becoming all Wine the Wine software to run the window application. So yes, you can run the window application much better on the Linux compared to the Mac, but still, like the problem with Linux is that it's open source. There's bazillion version distribution of Linux. When Ubuntu was like head to head with Windows World back in Windows 7, I was hoping, but still it failed. The Ubuntu phone failed. I don't think so. My opinion can be harsh. I can be wrong, but I don't think so. It can replace Windows because I use Windows not for like fun. I use Windows for getting some real work done. If you have any more questions, check out the link in the description box below. My email address is in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.